Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we will play a fun math game called Guess the Right Answer. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at the question carefully. 20 minus 6 minus 9 equals? Can you guess the right answer? Here are the options. 1, 3, 5, maybe 2. Think carefully. The correct answer is 5. Let's solve it step by step. 20 minus 6 equals to 14. 14 minus 9 equals to 5. Great job, if you guessed the right answer. Look at the question carefully. 24 minus 9 minus 8 equals? Can you guess the right answer? Here are the options. 7, 5, 4, maybe 6. Think carefully. The correct answer is 7. Let's solve it step by step. 24 minus 9 equals to 15. 15 minus 8 equals to 7. Look at the question carefully. 19 minus 5 minus 8 equals? Can you guess the right answer? Here are the options. 4, 5, 3, maybe 6. Think carefully. The correct answer is 6. Let's solve the step by step. 19 minus 5 equals to 14. 14 minus 8 equals to 6. Look at the question carefully. 28 minus 10 minus 9 equals? Can you guess the right answer? Here are the options. 5, 9, 6, maybe 8. Think carefully. The correct answer is 9. Let's solve the step by step. 28 minus 10 equals to 18. 18 minus 9 equals to 9. Look at the question carefully. 20 minus 10 minus 10 equals? Can you guess the right answer? Here are the options. 3, 1, 0, maybe 2. Think carefully. The correct answer is 0. Let's solve the step by step. 20 minus 10 equals to 10. 10 minus 10 equals to 0. Great job if you guessed the right answer. Did you enjoy this math quiz? Keep practicing and you will become a math champion. See you in the next quiz. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.